So this is our very rickety elevator, as they all are in Florence, and they're horrible, and they make a lot of scary noise. So this is our adventure with the elevator.
This is Mommy going in.
Well, not yet, because I have to come down the flight of stairs. The elevator. This is coming down. Maybe. And maybe we'll get up, maybe we won't. It's always a chance we take with Florence elevators. Okay? Let's go! It's exciting! Okay.
Can we get in here in the morning?
That's the other question. Okay, this is our little box. Wait, you gotta wait till that, and then, and then it makes a very scary noise until we go up. And we wait. So, this is us waiting to go up in the elevator. It's a very tiny Florentine elevator.
Can it lift us with all that pasta inside us?
That's the question. Once it didn't.
We were stuck between floors. We said, oh, we shouldn't have had that first dish of pasta.
And then Mom screamed for Valium.
I did. But we can give it to me.
No. Okay. And then this is us leaving. Okay. And that is the elevator experience.